Microfluidic devices exploit the physical and chemical properties of solids and gases at a microscale, using effects such as laminar flow to obtain significant benefits over conventionally sized systems. A lab-on-a-chip technology is a miniaturized device that integrates into a single chip one or several analyses, which are usually done in a laboratory. The miniaturization and integration of both lab-on-a-chip and microfluidic devices leads to final commercial products known as microelectromechanical systems, or MEMS. Of interest are biomedical devices with sensing applications, known as biomems. Microfluidic MEMS are increasingly recognized as a unique technology for the development of biomedical devices, presenting a functional performance on the microscale, easy scalability, high sensitivity, and short time analysis compared to external lab testing. However, manufacturing requirements for microfluidic MEMS exceed the current production capabilities of conventional techniques. Additive manufacturing, which consists of rapid multi-material printing with free-form structural capabilities, is a promising advance towards the further commercial deployment of biomems. MedLocExpo is the virtual exhibition dedicated to the use of multi-material 3D printing technologies for the large-scale fabrication of microfluidic MEMS for lab-on-a-chip and sensing applications. The virtual expo has a reception area with general information where one can access the exhibition. You can enter individual exhibition booths of the exhibitors and click on various interactive elements to download their publications, brochures, or watch videos. There is a link to directly access the exhibitor's website or send them direct messages requesting follow-up contact.